Alrighty, well, just like that, we're back. We're gonna do, I think this is part 5 or 6 of the 240. So last time you guys saw, we threw the motor in, put the turbo on, got the intake manifold on, fuel system, all the lines routed. We just need to hook up the rails, remaining injectors. The next thing we're gonna do, we took the front off. We're gonna reassemble it back on. I originally just drilled all the spot welds, was able to remove this whole front thing, which makes it very nice. To do the engine swap, need to fit the radiator first, which I did. I taped off this area with some Tessa tape, just so the piece that we're gonna put back doesn't rub against it and cause issues. And now we're ready to throw that in. So idea is we're gonna tuck the wiring, throw this piece on, and all these holes you guys see, we're gonna fill them with just nut and bolt, make it easy. Alright guys, we're gonna interrupt today's video with our sponsor. UAOE is our sponsor for today's video. UAOE is a sister company, I believe, of CC, which you guys had seen a very popular video of the floor jacks they had, but they went ahead and sent me this, so let's check it out. So inside this box, there is this cordless impact wrench, very nice. So it comes with a charger, 2 batteries, a whole socket set, which is pretty cool, and then our impact itself as well. Look at this. So it comes with these batteries, it has a level, pretty dope, thick battery. And then this is the gun itself. So this guy, pretty dope. It has forward, reverse, and it has all the power modes. So we have 1, level 2, level 3, and I believe it also has auto off, which yep, it's on it right now and is set up. It's a pretty nice system. Now this kit as well comes with all these different size sockets, and what's really nice is the front is an anvil design. So you throw the pieces on, and very nice. This thing is sick. I'll have links in my description for this brushless impact. Comes with a charger, 2 batteries, as well as all these sockets. And yeah, it's honestly a killer setup. So if you guys are interested in this, go check out UAE for your cordless impact wrench. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you UAE for sponsoring today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so we got the front radiator support on, everything's good. We got our overflow expansion tank, routed the hose, brought the dripper hose all the way through, comes out right here, kind of like a nice little exit right there, nowhere near the tire, etc. You don't want coolant dumping out by the tire. Everything looks nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw our intercooler on. So we got it right here. Let's do that. Alrighty, so we got the front of the car on, from what I remember, how much we got recorded. Intercooler's on, all the piping is done. Couplers are on. We got the other cold side going up into the blow-off valve. Engine's in. Now we got a few of the other stuff left we got to put on. Headlights, the bar, fuel return, hood nebulars, and our E-fans. So we did have a fan shroud, which looked like this. It's our ISR fan shroud, but unfortunately with the fan shroud you would have interference with this part of the motor. So pretty much have to take it off, obviously. And what I ended up going with is just these things they call zip tie, E-fan, like zip ties or something they're called, but it's pretty much a zip tie with a cap and a spring. Now we're gonna mock up our fans onto our radiator and where we wanted, and go ahead and get them buttoned up. Alrighty, so we ended up getting the radiator fans on just like that. They came with the little
pieces you put in between them like that. Zip tie pass through, and as you guys can see, the zip ties comes out of the rad. The bottom, same thing. I didn't cut the tips off just in case if we need to adjust it or anything, but that's for that. Now, one of the problems I ran into, I have these Kuru work radiator brackets for the front, for the top, and then I also have these OEM Nissan bushings. But the issue that consists when this goes in fully, like this, when the bracket gets bolted down, it pushes it up and pops out. So the bushing stays in place, but this pops out. Now, I don't know if it's due to this or something is up, but what I came to do is I removed one of the lower bushings that sits at the bottom, but up here is much longer and taller and fits perfectly. So I'm gonna have to order 2 bottom bushings to use for the top as well, which is no big deal, easy. But yeah, everything else is buttoned up. Hoses look nice, everything looks nice. Now next we're gonna go ahead and install our crossover bar for the suspension. It's just a 19mm bolt. We have to remove these, same thing on the other side, and mount it up right there. Alrighty, so just like that, we got our crossbar bolted up, looking very, very nice. A little tight, but should be fine, no problem. But now that this guy's on, now we can go ahead and finally get the front bumper on and the headlight. So just like that, we got everything on. I know it was quick for you guys, it took me a little minute. I had to modify some of the stuff since we removed the front end one time. But check this out, everything's back together. It's one whole car now. It's the last time it's gonna be taken apart. It's so good, it came out so good. Like, just look at this thing. Damn. From every point of view, this engine bay looks crazy. You got the turbo. Very, very nice. I'm so happy with how this car came out. Anyways, that's this part for you guys. Next, we're gonna do the hood, injectors, wheels, drive shaft, interior, last pieces, and there's a few little more stuff we have to do to this, but oh, exhaust. But yeah, check it out, it's coming along. Anyways, I appreciate everybody watching the series on the rebuild of this car. It's been a fun process, and yeah, we've changed plans a few times, but this is the end result of kind of what I imagined this car being, and how it's come out is insane. So I'm very, very excited to be able to finish this off, hopefully by the end of this year, and get our first startup and then start driving around using and abusing it to its full potential. Anyways, thanks guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. As always, thank you, catch you on the next one.